Hey boys and girls in video land, it's Bortone. How you doing? It is Tuesday at 2 p.m. That means it's time for Lou's Reviews. Every Tuesday at 2 p.m. I release another video, which is a review or a demo to share tools and apps and resources with you. And today I want to give you 3 tools for creating video email, 3 tools for making videos. I use them mostly for video email, but you can use them for different things. The first is Loom at useloom.com. I love Loom because it's so easy to use. This, like all the tools I'm going to show you, is a Chrome extension. So all you have to do is install the Chrome extension for free, as it says here, and you can use Loom as well. You can record the screen and the camera, just the screen, or the camera only. So you have options for doing that. It's very easy to record. Again, I use it for video email and follow-ups. You can record basically from any page. So you just go to your Loom extension in Chrome here and fire it up, and you are good to go. And what will happen is, as you'll see here, a lovely little inset will pop up. You can change the size of this inset, make it big and scary or medium size. And again, I don't have my lights on or anything like that because just for demo purposes. But once you hit record, you can record the entire screen, or you can just be on camera if you prefer. So it's a great way to do quick little demos and screencasts and things like that. As you can see here, you can do the whole screen, or you can just do the camera. And then once you've got your recording done, it'll give you a little countdown, and you're good to go. So you'd say, hey, it's Lou, this is my Loom test video. I don't have my lights on here, but that's okay. Click the check mark when you're done. And then once you've got your video, you can see here, you can do other things like send it via Gmail, or send it to Twitter or Facebook, or embed it, or get a link to it. You can add calls to action if you're using the paid version. You can create a custom thumbnail. You can trim the video and edit it from there. So again, really easy and fun way to use video for video email and things like that. Let's clear all this mess off the screen here. So again, that's Loom at useloom.com. The next tool I want to show you is similar, and that one is called GoVideo, and it's by Vidyard. Again, it's another Chrome extension. It's free, and all you have to do is go to your little Chrome extension here. And again, like Loom, you can record yourself, or you can record yourself plus the screen, or just the screen. So really flexible. Little GoVideo icon here, and click that, and you'll see that you can again record the screen, the camera, or both. So if I want to do that, I just click record. It's going to give me a little countdown, and once again I'll be on screen and ready to record. So very easy here. Again, I'm on Zoom doing this, so it may not show the camera as well. Very easy to use. It's free, it's simple, it's fun. You can see I've got my library here with all my different video recordings, and I can do different themes. I can add my logo. You can upgrade if you want to customize your video. But I use the free version, which I find is totally adequate. All right, so we did Loom, we did GoVideo by Vidyard, and last but not least, we have Wistia's Soapbox. Again, very similar. This one has a little bit of a different interface. Here, if you want to record your screen, you'll be on the side of the screen rather than an inset. You can record your entire screen, and the cool thing about this one, the cool thing about Wistia's Soapbox, is you can also add calls to action within the video. So it's again another great way to crank out quick videos, whether it's video emails or little demos or lessons or things like that. Again, this is free, but you can, if you want, you can upgrade to get some extra bells and whistles. So that is, hold on, we'll go back here. show you the pricing here. Free, $99 a month for Pro. I mean, if you're doing a ton of video and you really want a lot of bells and whistles, then you can look at that. But honestly, I use the free version because I'm typically just doing really quick little video emails and things like that. So again, the great thing about these tools, the three of them, this is Vidyard's GoVideo, Wistia's Soapbox, and Loom at useloom.com, is they're great for engagement. They're great for staying in touch with your prospects and customers. And again, just a great way to do quick little video emails that you can send to folks and have them watch the video right in their email. In this particular case, I like Loom because I can just go to Gmail and then just basically send the video in the email. And with Loom, again, you've got the ability to do some other things like calls to action and editing and things like that. So that's it. 3 cool tools for video email: Loom, Wistia's Soapbox, and Vidyard's GoVideo. Almost got them confused. Here's some of my videos here that I've done in Loom. As you can see, I use it quite a bit. So check those out. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, and we'll see you again with another Lou's Reviews. Thanks, and bye for now.